Welcome to Mother Daughter Projects. I'm Steph, and today I'm going to show you how I assembled this entire sofa. So I've already made 2 videos about this, and I basically explained why I decided to go with this sofa. This is made by the Home Reserve Company, and they make a modular system where you get to pick each part and then they send it to you in a box and you put it together. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how each of the sections actually come together, because this whole entire sectional is actually connected. It's one piece. So come join me. We started by moving the old sofa and end tables. We took the opportunity to clean it up a bit and put the first half of the sofa in place. Now we did try to move the big sofa, but we had a big dog on it and she was not making it easy to move, so she did not want to give up her comfy spot. So I continued to set up just the first half of the sofa. Each part connects to the other using a connector bolt, washer, and wing nut to secure. For the corner ottoman, it doesn't have holes in the fabric, as it could be used as a freestanding ottoman and not attached to anything. So in order to connect it, I stuck the bolt through the inside hole and cut a little slit in the fabric with a utility knife for the bolt to pop through. I did have to pull up the Velcro flap in order to access the hole in the ottoman. I was a little nervous about this step, but it was very easy. And then it connects just like the 2 armrests connect together. I Velcroed the inside panel back and put the floor back in place. And this side is done. I prepared the old sofa to be moved, and my friend Jason was in town, so he helped me with this step. Then I placed the first armrest over a plug I have, and then I attached this to the ottoman. Off camera, I cut the 2 slits in the fabric just like before. And these all connect using the same connector bolts, which are included with every Home Reserve kit. The great thing about the sofa is it's easy to connect all the pieces together, but it's just as easy to disconnect the pieces, making it really easy to move. Here's a close-up of those connector bolts. You can see there are 2 prongs on each of them, and there are 2 small holes that these fit into. And here's the washer and wing nut. And here's a good look at the inside area, which is storage. With it all connected, I put all the cushions in place, and done. What we learned. Now, one thing you notice after we built the left and right side, the ones with the arm on them, is the back cushion actually has a right and a wrong side. So if you have it on the wrong side, you're going to see the zipper. So just be aware that if those don't look right, just switch them around and then you'll be good. And in the video, I ended with having 3 of the armrests over here and 2 over here. Well, maybe a couple days into it, I realized I wanted another armrest and another ottoman. So that's what you see today, is the full complete picture of everything. And it just kind of completes it really nicely. And if you're wondering, I have filled everything up, all the storage area up with stuff. And the ottomans hold a little bit more space, so I put some blankets in there, and then the corner ottoman holds even more space. So it's nice that I have a couch and extra storage, because who doesn't need extra storage? Lastly, I also ordered pillows. So the pillows, they have a couple different sizes. We got the square pillows, and what's nice is everything is washable. All of the fabric, obviously including the pillows, is washable. And I haven't tried washing it yet because I haven't had the need to, but you know, in probably a year or 2, we'll do a project update on this and let you know how everything's wearing and how everything's going, so you can kind of get an update on that. But so far, I really like the pillows. They're nice and firm, and everything is nice and firm, but it gets squishier over time, which is actually what they say is kind of by design. But I'm really happy with everything, and here's a breakdown of the price of everything. This was not a sponsored post. I just wanted this sofa for my dogs, and I ordered it. So if you have any questions about the sofa or the process or anything like that, let me know in the comments below. I will be making one more video just kind of recapping everything and comparing this type of sectional sofa to some of the other ones that are out there. So thanks for joining us. If you want to see more projects from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com. Thanks, bye.